Hello! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to trim a video on Pixel 10 Pro. To do it, you will need to go to the Photos app, then go to a video that you want to edit, like this one for example. Let's click on edit now. And now to trim it, you'll see it here on the timeline in the video section, and you can just trim it, right? I'll trim it maybe to this part at the beginning, and at the end I can, let's say, trim it to here. Let's save a copy, and now it is done. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.